welcome. This is Noble. I welcome you in Wealth Abundance program where you will learn all the skills and concepts of wealth abundance. So let me talk about myself. I'm Noble. My life's journey, I failed my 7th standard and then became self-taught computer scientist and artificial intelligence scientist and super consciousness expert. We have served around 4,000 plus students, 500 plus teachers. I'm a founder of Global Transformation Hub. I've spent 75,000 US dollars on these skills: digital skills, future skills, freedom and transformational skills, technological skills, soft skills, and I have done 500 plus global digital future skills trainings. I have done 100 plus projects on these skills with GE, Wipro Technologies, Himalayan Institute of Alternative Ladakh, Teach for India, Howard Medical School, Toastmasters International, and I have done research over 15 years on these skills. We are on a mission to help 1.8 billion people across the world, millionaires, to achieve ultimate growth and create 100 million new digital leaders and teachers till 2030 to meet global education goals. Okay, so let's go to the next section where we learn why wealth abundance. These skills are important for your life to achieve ultimate abundance of wealth. So meet you there in next section. Thank you so much.